everyone, this is Venma Pehan. Today we are going to see about Objects tab in Amazon S3 using my bucket. This will help us understand how to store, organize and manage files in S3 through the Amazon Web Service Management Console. Here we go. Amazon S3, our simple storage service, is AWS object storage solution. Think of it as a place where we store data as an object inside the bucket. Each object has three main parts, that is a key, which is basically its name, and the actual data and the metadata that describes it. It's highly durable, scalable and accessible from anywhere in the world. Next, here you can see the details of our bucket. So this is my bucket name and location is US East Virginia US East North Virginia region. Bucket type is general purpose and current status is empty, the zero object. So this is essentially our empty storage container ready to be filled. For today's session we will mainly focus on the object tab, because that's where day-to-day file uploading and management happens. When we open our bucket in Amazon S3, the top menu shows 7 key tabs, each with a specific purpose for managing our data. The first one is object. So this is the main workplace. It is where we store, view and organize the actual files inside the bucket. Think of it as the contents section. So metadata. This is descriptive data about the bucket or objects. So this one is stored as key value pairs. Metadata helps in searching, sorting or applying rules later. Properties. Here we can configure important bucket level settings like versioning, logging, encryption and lifecycle rules for automatic transition between the storage classes. The next one is permission. This is all about who can access your bucket and what they can do. It is controlled through IAM policies, bucket policies and access control list. Metric. Metric is a performance dashboard that's showing storage usage, number of requests and data transfer states, useful for monitoring cost and usage patterns. Next, the management. This is a tool to automate and optimize S3, like setting replication rules to copy data to another bucket or configuring analytics to track storage trends. Access points. This is a custom endpoints for a shared bucket. Instead of giving everyone the same bucket link, you can create access points with their own permissions and network control. Next one is a action button. On this screen, AWS give us not this screen. You can see in AWS console. On that screen, AWS give us a set of action buttons. We can copy the object S3 URI or URL. That you can download, open, edit your data, or use the action menu for more changes like storage class updates. So we can also create a virtual folders and upload new files directly there. This is a bucket naming rules. Where creating a bucket, there are strict naming rules. So the name must be globally unique, between 3 and 63 characters. Lowercase only allowed and cannot look like an IP address. Following this ensures your bucket can be accessed without conflicts worldwide. So versioning is an important feature for data safety. It keeps a multiple version of your same object, so you can recover from accidental deletion or overwrites. Each version has its own ID and older versions are preserved unless deleted manually. Keep in mind you will pay for the storing all versions anyways. Okay, in summary, the object tab is where we upload, organize and manage files in Amazon S3. For my bucket, next step is to start adding objects and setting up access control so my team can use it efficiently. Thank you.